which is an encryption, anything in these parameters that I've just put around. We also need that to be used on our repeat password, because otherwise we'd be comparing a non-MD5 encryption password to a encrypted password. So let's come down to where we're inserting our users info. Sorry, my mistake. We need to insert one called date, and that's going to be equal to date, and we can just put however we want to look at it. So we could just say FJ, comma Y. I believe that is 1. Actually, no, we'll just stick to the year, no, month, then day, then year. We'll save that, and we'll come down and we'll continue our code. So after this, we need to say insert into users, all of this, and then values with the values, and then put another set of brackets. And in here, we're just going to put commas, invert commas, and then a comma, then invert commas, then a comma, then inverted, then a comma, inverted, then a comma, and inverted. So the first one's going to be blank because the ID is going to auto increment. Next one's going to be username, their username that they inputted, used in our register form. Second one's going to be password, and then this one is going to be email, and then this one is going to be the date. Assuming that's all correct, we can then go ahead and echo out. You have successfully been registered. Please click here to continue. And then here we can just put in a href. Sorry, I put a space there. href is equal to. We could just put them to the login.html page, and then put the link around all of this code here. So let me just move my window over, and I'll just put the A tag there. And if we save this, we can check if this works. Come to your thing at your web browser and type in a localhost, and go to YouTube, general, login and register, and click register. Then I'm just going to type admin. The password is going to be hello world. Hello world. Email is kyle.kirkley@googlemail.com, and then I'll click register. Username you entered already exists. So we've gone wrong somewhere. Let's just have a look. If rows equals 0. So that's the second if statement. So it's here. If rows does not equal 0. So if rows does not equal 1, let's try that. Here we go. You have successfully been registered. Please click to continue. Let's check if we've actually inputted any data by going to our PHP MyAdmin and going to users, and then click browse. Apparently we haven't inserted anything, so insert into users. We did call our table users, right? Users database PHP. Okay, let's just try and use it with the, well, we'll just come here and, sorry, oh yeah, I closed it down, so if I open recent con.php, if I take this over to this page and paste that in, yeah, that's alright. Let me just make sure all my information's correct. I think that could be a problem. Okay, I think I know what the problem is, and it is that my password is actually root. So if I save this all, and then go back and register again, and then click admin, hello, 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 email kyle@mail.com, doesn't really matter, register. You have successfully been registered, please click here to continue. Let's go to our thing and check if it's worked. Yeah, as you can see, my password is actually root. PHP my admin, PHP, table, users, browse. And you can see it's all working fine, except from the date, which should be the other way around. We've got an encrypted password, so we can't actually read the password. One quick thing is that the date format, we can just change to Y-M-D and save that. And then click here to continue, and if we go out to register and just, for example, Kyle, hello, and email hi@mail.com, and if we click register, you've successfully been registered. Click here to continue, go back to our thing, check out our browse, and you can see that the date is all working fine. So, sorry for all that, guys, but we got it working in the end, and it's a pretty good register script, because if we go back and check this again, and say we enter admin, and hello, and hi@mail.com, register, username you entered already exists, and click back. And if you remember, we also did the email check for my email, and then down here it should say, oh sorry, I accidentally forgot the else statement for the email. We can just quickly put that in. The email you entered already exists. Okay, let's just go back and check this again. I think this tutorial was getting pretty long, but oh well. New username, we'll just call that username, and then we'll click hello, email. What did we use here? We used hi@mail.com, click register, and the email you entered already exists. Then if we come back here, and remember, if we say admin, hello, and a random email, and click register, your username you entered already exists. There you go, guys. That is the register and login form. Next tutorial, we're going to get the login working. So see you in the next part.